Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be doing some acrylic pouring and we're going to be doing some flip cups. So let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be pouring on some previous acrylic pours that I had made on 4x4 ceramic tiles. They do have a clear resin top coat, so you can 100% pour right over them. I'm going to be using the Artisan Loft Premix Ready to Pour paints in turquoise, bright blue, metallic white, and black. You can get them from Michael's. I'm adding 4 drops of the Artisan Loft brand silicone oil into the white, 3 into the turquoise, and 3 into the bright blue, and none in the black. And if you guys want to get the same results as I do, you definitely want to use the Artisan Loft brand silicone oil. It's the best silicone oil I've used so far. So what I'm going to do for my flip cups is white, bright blue, turquoise, then black in one cup, and then the opposite in the other cup. So black, turquoise, bright blue, then white. Just to see, what kind of results we'll get by leaving different colors on the top of the cup. And I did stir up my my cups after I added the silicone oil. So I just, flip my cup on my tile, let it sit for about a minute, and then now I'm going to tilt it. And this is like super easy for beginners too because I'm not doing anything special with my tilting. I'm just trying to get the paint to all 4 corners of my tile so everything has good coverage. After I get it all nice and covered on my tile here, I'm going to hit it with my torch and you'll really see those cells start to develop. Now I'm going to go in with my torch. I was trying to go right in the middle, but it's kind of hard to control the flame on your torch, to be completely honest. So it did go a little bit crazy, but they still turned out really awesome. Look at those fun cells. They're just perfect. I feel like the silicone, the Artisan Loft brand silicone oil gives you perfect cells on your pieces. So I let them sit for about 20 minutes. The cells will grow a bit, and this is how they're looking 20 minutes later. This one I think is my favorite of the two. It's the one where the black paint was on top of our flip cup. I love the lacing up here. Reminds me of like a really cool dark spider web. And I actually did 2 more pours in this same clip, but I'm going to upload those in a future video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. You can see how those ones turned out. I just didn't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to break it up into 2 shorter videos. And this is the piece where the white was on top in the cup. So you can see they're a little bit different, but still really awesome. I love using these Artisan Loft Premix Ready to Pour paints. They're so easy to use. I will say though, if you guys do end up buying these paints from Michael's, I would do the titanium white over the metallic white. I use the metallic white on these pieces and it's kind of silver, which isn't a bad thing, but if you want like a nice white, definitely get the titanium white. And I feel like the titanium white, the cells don't grow as big with the titanium white. I feel like the metallic white, the cells grow a lot bigger. And here they are all dry. This is the dry results. I still need to clean the silicone oil off of them and seal them before I do a resin top coat and turn them into coasters. But I have a video showing step by step how I clean the silicone oil off my acrylic pours. If you guys want to check that out, I'll link it down below and leave it at the end card screen of this video. Just click that and it'll take you straight to it. I think these turned out really cool. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Which one is your favorite? This one here with the black or the other one that has mostly white. And I've used these paints quite a bit on my channel, so I'll leave a few of my favorite pours right here. Just click that and it'll take you straight to the video. I really like using these paints. I'll link them down below from the Michael's website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the second part to this video coming soon. Thanks again. I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye.